The history of the Holi festival in India. Origins of Holi. Holi's origins lie in ancient Hindu mythology and cultural traditions, celebrating the victory of good over evil and the onset of spring. Associated with stories like Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu, and Krishna and Radha, it symbolizes renewal and the triumph of light over darkness. These myths form the basis for Holi's rituals, including bonfires and the playful use of colored powders. The story behind. This slide explores the famous legend behind Holi, the story of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu. Prahlad, a devotee of Lord Vishnu, defied his tyrant father, Hiranyakashipu, who wanted to be worshipped as a god. Despite numerous attempts on his life, Prahlad survived, and his aunt Holika's attempt to kill him backfired, leading to her demise in the flames. This tale is commemorated during Holi with the ritual of lighting bonfires, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. Holika Dahan. Ritual of bonfire. Holika Dahan, or the bonfire ritual, is a key aspect of Holi celebrations. On the eve of Holi, communities gather to light large pyres symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Participants offer prayers and chant around the fire, recalling the legend of Prahlad and the defeat of the demoness Holika. The ritual signifies purification and the removal of negativity. Visuals depict people gathering around bonfires, lighting pyres, and performing rituals. Playing with colors. This slide explores the vibrant tradition of playing with colors during the Holi festival. It delves into how this joyful custom has evolved over time, from its ancient roots to its modern-day celebration. The slide highlights the significance of colors in Holi festivities, symbolizing love, joy, and the arrival of spring. It may include images of people joyfully splashing colors on each other, accompanied by a brief overview of the importance of this playful aspect of Holi and its enduring appeal. Mythology in modern times. The story behind. Love story of Krishna and Radha. Holi's mythology continues to influence its modern-day celebrations. The stories of Prahlad, Holika, Lord Krishna, and Radha are not just ancient legends but living traditions that shape the rituals and customs of Holi. From the lighting of bonfires to the playful throwing of colored powders, each tradition carries symbolic significance derived from these mythological tales. Understanding the mythology behind Holi enriches the experience of this vibrant festival and deepens its cultural importance in contemporary society. Festive traditions. Holi is marked by various festive traditions that bring communities together in joyous celebration. One of the most iconic rituals is the lighting of bonfires on the eve of Holi, known as Holika Dahan. This ritual symbolizes the victory of good over evil and the triumph of righteousness. Additionally, the vibrant and colorful aspect of Holi is represented by the playful throwing of colored powders and water at friends and family. Music, dance, and delicious traditional foods further enhance the atmosphere of merrymaking during this festive occasion. Cultural diversity. The story behind. India's diverse cultural landscape is reflected in the varied ways Holi is celebrated across different regions. From the exuberant Latmar Holi in Uttar Pradesh to the royal festivities in Rajasthan's Jaipur, each region adds its own unique flavor to the festival. Cultural diversity. The story behind. In West Bengal, Holi is known as Dol Jatra and is celebrated with processions carrying idols of Radha and Krishna. In the southern state of Tamil Nadu, Holi is observed as Kamavilas, with rituals honoring Kamdev, the Hindu god of love. Explore the vibrant tapestry of Holi celebrations as it unfolds across India's diverse communities. Global spread. Holi's vibrant colors, joyful atmosphere, and message of love and unity have transcended geographical boundaries, leading to its celebration in various parts of the world. From colorful parades in New York City to community gatherings in London's Trafalgar Square, Holi has become a beloved festival celebrated by people of diverse cultures and backgrounds. Its global appeal highlights the universal values of joy, inclusivity, and cultural exchange that Holi embodies. Happy Holi! Have a colorful life.